Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to Learn Daily Life English. In this series of lesson, you will learn 3 sentences in each day with its Urdu translation. So it become very easy for you to learn English. Subscribe our YouTube channel Usman Hadi consultancy firm and click on bell icon if you continuously want to receive our videos notification. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome to lesson 12 of Learn Daily Life English. This is a lecture series where we are learning different phrases and sentences to make our English good. So I hope that your English is good enough. You have improved a little bit because it's lesson number 12. So the first phrase of today, that he keeps on teasing me. He keeps on teasing me. आप ऐसी सिचुएशन में यूज़ कर सकते हैं, लाइक आपका भाई आपको तंग करता रहता तो आप कह सकते हैं मामा he keeps on teasing me. और अगर आपकी बहन आपको तंग करती रहती है तो आप कह सकते हैं बाबा she keeps on teasing me. Phrase of today, that as many mouths so many opinions. As many mouths, so many opinions is used in a situation where about one thing every person is talking differently. Like जिस बंदे से भी आप उस इशू पे बात कर रहे हैं वो एक अपनी ही कहानी सुना रहा है उस चीज़ के बारे में, तो आप इस सिचुएशन के अंदर आप कह सकते हैं कि as many mouths, so many opinions. And this phrase you can use so much in your day-to-day life because we are most of the time facing such type of situations. And the third phrase of today is hold your tongue. Hold your tongue का कतन ये मतलब नहीं है आप अपनी ज़बान पकड़ कर बैठ जाएं. Hold your tongue is used for when you want to warn to somebody that stop misbehaving, right? कोई आपसे बदतमीजी कर रहा है और आपको आपके साथ जो है वो ज़बान दराजी कर रहा है तो आप उस सिचुएशन में आप उसको कह सकते हैं hold your tongue please, okay? और hold your tongue please. Hold your tongue please when you politely requesting to somebody that stop misbehaving, right? So these are the 3 phrases for today, and I hope that you are enjoying the journey of learning with us. And please keep sharing these videos with others, and do join our YouTube channel Usman Hadi consultancy firm. We are also planning to bring computer lectures for you, freelancing lectures, spoken English lectures, motivation lectures, health videos, right? So there is a plenty of videos over there for you to help you out to be a better human being, right? So thank you very much. Stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.